The iCode enables rapid and easy setups for Sino barcode scanners. The iCode is a configuration barcode. Your Sino 1D or 2D scanners can be fully set up with one scan of a PDF 417 iCode or Data Matrix iCode. The scanner's default values for record suffix and buzzer tone are CR and medium, respectively. There is also no preamble in the data output. We will now change record suffix to tab, buzzer tone to extremely high, and add Sino fuzzy scan as preamble. These changes can be made by scanning multiple command barcodes. Now the output data format and buzzer tone are changed. However, the same results can be achieved by scanning a single iCode that contains the relevant parameters. The iCode makes configuring your Sino scanners hassle-free.